because if they want to breed again the next year, they know they need that many square feet, miles, or whatever size territory they need to provide food for the young. You're welcome. Thanks for your interest.
Yeah.
So, is this really going to happen, or are you going to save the time?
I was waiting for less people.
Yeah.
I figured you've waited all day here.
We've been here for a while, just for a few hours, but...
And you can hear how quiet the flapping was there.
They don't see very well.
Oh yeah, she doesn't even know it's there yet.
Oh, sorry.
No.
You
I
caught
was
me.
hoping you would do this. I didn't feel like it was my place to ask, but...
There you go.
Occasionally she'll drop it, but not usually.
Oh, she got it.
And there it goes.
It's too quick.
The tail's still kissing out.
Yeah.
You have
Before he
something right
snaps the
there.
A little bit.
Actually, too late because it's video.
Oh, so you already got it all.